Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're diving into NextNav's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. NextNav has been making significant strides in the positioning, navigation, and timing sector, and I'm excited to discuss their recent performance and future prospects.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. NextNav reported a revenue of $1.9 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, up from $1.2 million in the same period last year. For the full year, revenue reached $5.7 million. John, what are your thoughts on these numbers?
The revenue growth is a positive sign, driven primarily by increased service revenue from technology and services contracts with both government and commercial customers. However, the company still faces significant challenges with profitability, as evidenced by an operating loss of $14.8 million and a net loss of $32.3 million for the quarter.
Indeed, the net loss is quite substantial. What factors contributed to this?
The net loss was impacted by a $14.9 million loss on the change in fair value of warrants and liabilities associated with the Telesaurus asset purchase. This highlights the financial volatility NextNav is navigating as it invests in its growth and technology development.
Strategic initiatives and technological advancements. NextNav has been active on the strategic front, particularly with its 5G PRS-based PNT solution. Can you elaborate on their recent advancements?
Absolutely. NextNav successfully completed lab and field demonstrations of their innovative PNT solution, which is based on positioning reference signal standards in 5G waveforms. This validation is crucial for their plans to deploy a commercial network. Additionally, their engagement with the FCC, especially with the new Chairman Carr, is pivotal for regulatory support and advancing GPS resiliency.
They also brought in Renee Gregory as the new VP of Regulatory Affairs. How significant is this move?
Renee Gregory's appointment is strategic, given her extensive experience in government and regulatory roles. Her leadership will be vital in navigating FCC approvals and compliance, which are critical for NextNav's future growth and operational success.
Financial position and future outlook. Let's discuss NextNav's financial position. They have $80.1 million in cash and investments, but also $54.6 million in debt. How does this affect their outlook?
NextNav's cash reserves provide a buffer to support their strategic initiatives and ongoing R&D efforts. However, the debt level is a concern, especially given the net loss of $101.9 million for the full year. The company needs to manage its cash flow carefully while continuing to innovate and expand its market presence.
What can we expect from NextNav moving forward?
NextNav is focused on executing its strategic roadmap, which includes advancing its next-gen solution and expanding its 3D PNT services. Their commitment to innovation and regulatory engagement will be key drivers of future growth, but they must also address financial sustainability to ensure long-term success.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 14 cents for NextNav, but the actual EPS came in at 84. John, what does this discrepancy tell us?
This significant miss indicates that NextNav's financial challenges are more severe than analysts anticipated. The higher-than-expected net loss reflects the impact of non-operational factors like the change in fair value of warrants, which can be unpredictable and difficult to forecast.
How should investors interpret this in terms of future performance?
Investors should be cautious and closely monitor how NextNav addresses these financial challenges. While the company's strategic initiatives are promising, achieving financial stability will be crucial for building investor confidence and supporting long-term growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, NextNav has shown promising revenue growth and strategic advancements, but faces significant financial challenges. John, any final thoughts?
NextNav's focus on innovation and regulatory engagement is commendable, but they must address their financial sustainability to ensure long-term success. Investors should keep an eye on their cash flow management and progress in strategic initiatives.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on NextNav's performance in the comments below.